Alright guys, welcome back to another iPhone 16 Pro tutorial, and in this one here on the Poor Man's How-To channel we are going to remove acne from my face. And I took a picture of this the other day just for this video. This is going to be real simple real simple to do. Down here at the bottom of the photo frame you'll see the 3 bars. Okay, you click on that, that's the edit button. You click on that, and then we're going to go down to the bottom to clean up in the bottom right. It'll take just a second to load, and now it says we can do it. So we're going to zoom in with 2 thumbs, zoom in, and now you can circle, tap, or brush with the cleanup brush. So we're going to actually circle this and see what kind of result we get from the first pass. Bam! Not too bad, huh? We will swipe some of these hairs here, and we're going to brush this. See if we can't clean that up a little bit. We'll circle it too. We can't clean that up a little bit. Not too bad. Not too bad. You can see here there's a little bit of nasal hair. We'll get rid of him too while we're in here. Make him go away. Bam, he's gone. And you can do lots and lots and lots with this, guys. Very simple to do. You see here I'm going to brush a little bit in the nostril and get rid of some of that dark area. Very simple to do, very easy to do. Oh, I accidentally hit that. I'm going to hit the undo button, which is up in the top left. It's the arrow that points back to the left. We're going to click that one time and undo the cleanup that I accidentally did. And then you get a cleaning up message, and you get this from time to time when you're doing this function, and it takes it a second to think about it and what have you. All right, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, see what else we have here to play with while we're in here right fast. Let's see, I don't know what that is right there, but we're going to make it go away. Now I also want to show you that you can do this under your eyes, for the bags under your eyes, for wrinkles on your face. And you'll see me do this here. I'm going to draw a line. And there we go. I'm going to just go over that whole area there. See what becomes of it. We'll work with that. We'll work with that. I'll take some of these lines and wrinkles out of my eyes. So you can really clean up your face quite a bit, or someone else's face. You can really do a lot. Now this tool will also remove objects from your picture. So right now we're just focusing on the face in this tutorial, this how-to video. I've got one coming right up behind this where we will make some license plates disappear, we'll make cars disappear, and all kinds of cool objects. And I've got quite the photo for us to do that with. And I am just working this out here. And I'm going to work some of these lines underneath that area. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle. Let's see what we get when we circle. You see all those lines? All right, not bad, not bad. Remember, we're zoomed way in on this photo. So we're seeing more detail than your average person might on their phone. But this is pretty cool. All right. Okay. This is a scar here on my face where I fell and busted my side of my eye open years ago. I'm just kidding. My wife beat the hell out of me. So let's take this right here and we shall see if we can get rid of that darker area. And I think you get the gist of it here, friends. I think you get the point. And you can do this all day long, you know, and just take out stuff and fix stuff and what have you. And just make it look a lot better, a lot neater. And so guys, not hard to do. Not hard to do at all. This is the Poor Man's How-To channel. We were just cleaning up the face here using the cleanup feature in the iPhone, and only the iPhone. There's no other apps or anything like that. This is just the native Photos app. This It's been a really cool video. Thank you guys for watching. Check us out at thepoormansway.com, where you can sign up to be notified of specific tutorials when they come out as they're released. There are going to be more Tube Buddies, more iPhone 16s. There will be YouTube growth and strategies, best practices, and lots of cool stuff. You guys be sure to subscribe before you click away, and do that now. And we will keep you informed of everything we got coming up. You guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.